Boom, we did it. Zero to over $150,000 in just 7 days. I know it sounds absolutely insane, which it is, but in this video, I'm going to be going over everything that I basically have done over the past 7 days to get to this number, as well as show the profit. So stick around for the end of the video for the profit reveal, as well as a little giveaway that I'm doing during this video. If we take a look at the dashboard over here, we can see $175,544.18 US from December 11th to December 18th. I'll hit a quick refresh check for you guys as well. And you can see, boom, the numbers stay the same. This was an absolutely insane, crazy store. You can see by the numbers, and we had a huge return rate of customers as well with a 2.85%. I'm gonna be going over how I've been able to do that in this video as well. Stick around, because I'm gonna teach you A to Z how I've been able to do this. So let's get into it. Before we dive into this video, I want to tell you watching this video, if you have not yet started your own Shopify store, I do not know what you are doing. This is crazy just because the money that you can actually make drop shipping or just building a Shopify store in general is insane. So I know there's going to be a handful of people watching this video, and if you have not yet started your Shopify store, I'm going to leave a link inside of the description where you don't have to pay full price for Shopify anymore. You're going to only have to pay $1, and that is it. So if you have not yet started your Shopify store, click on that link and use it below. All right, so I also want to go over how I did my product research to find this product. I know a lot of people ask me questions and be like, hey Ben, how do you find such good products that hit so well? And let me show you. We're just gonna come over. By the way, what do you guys think about the watch? I just got this watch, picked it up. Shout out to Timepiece Trading.
Congrats officially.
Thank you so much. I appreciate
on your first piece.
But let me know in the comments down below. W or L watch? Let me know. Anyway, back to product research. I simply just go on PP ads, and one very, very common misconception or just mistake I see dropshippers do is they will add so many filters on these spy tools to the point where there's like 3 products on their page. And it's mind blowing because you can't expect to find something if you just have all those filters. So my simple product research of how I've been able to find my winners recently, as well as this winner, is no filters. I don't care what impressions, like rate, or all of this other nonsense metrics people have. I'm simply just looking at the product on the screen and asking myself, okay, is this a product that solves an insecurity or a problem? You know my criteria. If you see any of my past videos, you know what my criteria is. It's super simple. And if you don't know what it is, go check out one of the past videos. I'll link it in the description as well. My simple criteria when I'm coming through here is I'll simply just scroll through PP ads and try to look for a product that I know can solve a problem or an insecurity. For example, this product right here, huge winner, a little more high ticket, but this solves a huge problem. And this is all I'm doing when I'm looking for products that I want to sell, is just how can I make someone's life better? And so that is exactly how I found this product, and it's exactly how I found my other products as well. If you're struggling with the product research and you catch yourself overcomplicating it, you catch yourself scrolling on these spy tools for hours, it's not something that you should realistically be doing. Product research should be something you do in depth and high quality, but it should not be hours and hours and hours of endless scrolling. It's just not necessary. It's a huge common mistake I see a lot of dropshippers do, and you don't want to be one of them. Once I found my product using the product research method we just went over, I just went into my TikTok ad manager and posted my testing campaign that I have on my Discord server for free. Once I did that, I wanted to also show you guys what my day 1 results look like. You can see, first I tested this was December 7th, and we brought in a total of $981.46. Now, you may be watching this and be like, oh my gosh, that is a lot of orders for 1 day of testing. And a strategy that I did use to get this number on day 1 of testing was using a strategy called surf scaling. It's a strategy on TikTok where you simply just bump the budget on a campaign that's giving you low enough CPAs. If that sounds complicated, or you want to learn more about surf scaling, the course inside of my Discord, I go fully on a breakdown case study level, as well as a tutorial on how you can actually surf scale your profitable products as well. With that being said, this was my day 1 results. For December 7th, I brought in almost $1,000 of sales. And then moving on to December 8th, you can see I was able to do $13,000 just the second day of this product. So that's when I knew, I was like, oh my gosh, we have something very big on our hands. Being able to do this, I know it just seems like a very, very big jump. It obviously takes time. It takes skill to be able to do something like this. But all I simply did was just scaled what's working. A lot of people are going to overcomplicate and try to tell you there's some sort of secret scaling method. In reality, there's methods to scale that are more effective efficient than others, but in the grand scheme of things, all I did to hit these 13K day, almost 14K day 2, was just scale what worked. I tested day 1, I found what ads worked, and I simply just duplicated and scaled it for day 2. That is what I did to be able to scale this product and ultimately be able to hit in just 7 days a fat chunk of money of 164,000 from the 12th to the 19th. If we go on a weekly zone of the 11th to 18th, we can see 175,000. So absolutely insane. With this product, I believe we were hitting highs of around 20K. There was one day where I think we did around 26. There we go. And so we just were able to print money. I want to show you guys the profit and loss. So let's just dive into that real quick as well. Before I go ahead and show you guys the profit and loss that we had on this product, I want to announce something very special that I'm doing for completely free that you can also take part in, taking place on this YouTube channel. The giveaway that I'm doing, and I'm going to be giving away 3 one-on-one calls to anyone who watches this video and leaves a comment down below of one thing that they learned watching this video, as well as one thing that they are hoping to learn if they were to hop in a one-on-one call with me. In order for you to be eligible for this, you just need to leave that comment down below, as well as head over to my Instagram, which will be the top link in the description, and hit me with a follow, because that's going to be where I'm going to announce you my winners, as well as I'm going to be checking to see if you're also following as well. So with that out of the way, this is what the profit we had on the store was: $39,037.01. You can see the revenue here is exactly the same, 175,544. Boom, boom. And we can see we had a total ad spend of around $57,818.36. And that comes out to around a 3x ROAS. So absolutely amazing ROAS that we had on this product, and around a net margin of a 22.23% and total cost of goods of $74,172.03. Now, a really big thing I want to recommend to all you guys is whenever you are scaling up a product, never do it on a debit card. Never do it on a debit card. Never do it from your bank account. You want to be leveraging credit cards, especially when you're spending ridiculous amounts of money on cost of goods and ad spend. This is free money that so many people are just leaving on the table because they just don't know about this. And I want to tell you, if you are even under 18 or you're over 18 and you have a really solid credit score, but you don't have yet a credit card, I highly recommend you get one for your e-commerce dropshipping business. Because quite honestly, I've been able to spend so much money on ads, I can just buy a free plane ticket pretty much anywhere I want for completely free. And I have some Chase cards, I have some Amex cards. Do your own research as well, but I highly recommend that every single one of you has a credit card equipped and ready to be used for your dropshipping businesses. All right, so another nugget of sauce that I want to give you guys: over this span of a week, generating over $170,000 and $39,000 in profit in just 7 days. A lot of people have asked me and said, hey Ben, how have you been able to scale that quickly, that fast? As well as, where did you get your offer from? How did you formulate your offer, and what did you do about your competition? And I want to tell every single person watching this video, when you test a product when it comes to drop shipping, don't take your competitor's offer, your competitor's website, or pretty much anything your competitor is doing as the main focus of how you should be running your business. When it comes to a successful dropshipping store, it comes from originality. You want to be able to create a store, a brand that people are going to see and realize that it is new. You have a new way, a new style, a new method of your product. And that's what people want to see. They don't want to see that you're copying the offer from your competitors right next to you. They don't want to see that your website looks exactly the same, because it's something I see a lot of dropshippers do. As you guys will find a product and you'll just rip the store, you'll rip the copywriting, you'll rip the pictures, you'll rip the ads, you'll rip the offer, you'll rip everything and wonder why it doesn't work. It doesn't work simply because you did exactly what your competitors are doing. With that being said, don't totally disregard your competitors. Take what they're doing with a grain of salt, but learn about how you can improve and make things better. If your competitors, let's say, have a $20 sale and they're charging shipping, well, you can just formulate a whole new offer. You can try buy one, get one. You can try change around the price point. That's the beauty about your own business, is because you can create your own offer. And so stop copying offers, stop copying websites, create your own brand and make it so people see your price point and the price that you're charging as a unique offer. That is how you succeed more in your products. And that is something I want to tell you guys. I definitely promise you will see a lot more success in dropshipping if you start doing that. A lot of dropshippers don't try, and it's honestly very, very sad, which it also does mean that it's a lot easier to succeed. So I want you to remember, if you are watching this video and you're watching content about dropshipping, you're already on the right path to succeeding. Get over here. I want to tell you guys something very, very serious. So I want to let you guys know, if you're watching these videos, you're already on the path to succeeding, but you cannot give up. If you guys give up, you guys will never succeed. And so you guys just need to keep on going, keep on making stores, keep on testing products, keep on learning, keep on getting better. And I promise you will be able to see results just like this in no time. Now, with that being said, don't forget about the giveaway and just leave a comment down below of one thing you learned, as well as one thing that you want to learn, and I will announce my winners over on my Instagram at the end of this week. As well as, if you want to apply for my one-on-one mentorship, there's going to be a link down below, as well as if you want to join my Discord for totally free, you can do so as well. With that being said, I hope you watch this video, go out, make a store, succeed, make some money, and we will speak very, very soon. Peace out.